Hey there, it's Crystal Warrento, founder of HeartStories, and I'm here with my friend Angela Deaton, and she let me know that she stopped by to tell me that the mortgage rates are at a 3-year low, and I was so excited about it. I feel like we should tell everyone. Yes. So we're here to tell you, so tell me all about it. What does this mean for us if the mortgage rates are low?
I mean, I think right now it's just a great opportunity for anybody who needs to refi or has thought about refinancing to do that.
Yeah.
Also, anybody who's been on the fence about buying,
right.
If you're kind of like, I don't know if it's the right time, it's a great time. I literally this week have locked in 3 different people under 3%.
Oh my gosh. For refis or
for refinances?
Oh my gosh. That's
different products. Now, don't call me and say I want under 3% because I heard on Facebook Live on Crystal's page I got that.
It's all Crystal's fault.
But it is out there. And so for different products and programs, but I have people who are dropping a full percent and a half on refinances.
Wow.
I have a lot of people who are refinancing and rolling in. Things like, so Crystal was telling me she wants a pool.
Yeah, I do want a pool.
So
Scott,
that's
if
something.
you're listening, like it's just a want.
So that's something right now, especially spring. It's like you're right on that timeline that by June 1st you could be diving in your new pool.
Yes.
So that's something we can refinance. You get a lower interest rate or a different product, whatever you want. But also in that you could roll in a pool, a new kitchen, new master bath, remodel, wood floors, anything that is a permanent part of your house, you can roll into your new mortgage.
Wow.
So, I mean, you can't like roll in TVs or something, but
How does that work? So speaking of TVs, like how would that work? So do you actually get the cash to go pay the contractor or
No.
How does that work?
So how it works is you basically get a quote from or a bid from either the pool company, a general contractor, and we're going to take that bid, and when we refinance, we have your payoff of your current mortgage and we have this bid. And so when the appraiser comes out and appraises your home, he takes that into consideration. So he's going to value your house as what it would value with a pool. And so that's how you're able to roll it in without having to bring, typically not bring money out of closing. So, and then it goes into a holding account with the lender, with us, with Prime Lending.
Okay.
And as the contractor finishes and asks for a draw or this or that, then Prime pays them. So you're out of it. So the nice thing is you close, you're done.
Wow.
And then Prime kind of handles the rest in terms of...
You have a friend.
Yeah, you have a friend. So that's how that works.
That's amazing. So tell me about how much it's going to cost me to refinance, how much do I have to bring to the table to refinance my house?
So in probably 95% of cases, you can roll in all the closing costs.
Wow.
Every once in a while, someone's really tight on equity. So just a little background.
Now we have 2 friends.
Yeah, we have 2 friends. But in most cases, you can roll it in. And so how this would typically work, let's say you pull the trigger, you want to close at the end of March, you're not going to have a payment in April, your new payment will start in May.
That's amazing.
And you don't have to bring money to the closing table. Then you
can
go buy your TV
with your payment.
Yes. Exactly. So yeah, in most cases, there is no money out of pocket. People think, oh, my credit's not good, or I don't have enough equity in my house. But honestly, the only way you know is to call and ask, and you can call me, and there's no obligation. If you ask me for an estimate and at the end you look and go, it's not worth it right now, you're not out a penny. All you have is information.
That's amazing. Yeah. So and most of the times, do you feel like most people you can close? Most people come in and
the majority of people, especially right now.
Yes.
I've had people a year ago, they kind of like, it's not worth it. You could maybe get a quarter lower in your rate. That's not worth it. And I'm always super honest with people about that. If it's not worth it, I'm not going to tell you it is.
So what are the rates? What's the, if you bought a house within, I'm assuming in the last 3 years, it's significant enough to go, or certainly the last 10 years, what's your...
No. I'll say, a year and a half ago, I was locking people in at 4875, 475, 4875. And now I've locked several people on a 30-year fixed under 4%. And then even, like I was saying, some of the 10-year fixed rate arms are below 3. So it's a drastic difference.
Yeah.
And nobody knows how long it's going to last. The coronavirus has played a big part in this.
How? I need to know. I don't know if you care about
I honestly can't even explain it. It's because it affects the market. Anytime you see the stock market's down, rates are good. So when the stock market's bad, rates are good. When the stock market's great, rates are usually not good. So it's an inverse relationship there. So So I don't know why it has an impact like that on mortgage rates specifically, but it has. And then on top of that, it's an election year.
Oh,
so
sure.
you've got that playing into it.
Well,
so that's
that
why when I say I don't know how long it's going to last, you don't know. You don't know who's going to, what, and I'm not getting political. Trust me.
Who's going to win?
Yeah, I'm not going to talk about
Yeah.
that. But, that's going to be decided. The coronavirus, hopefully at some point, is going to be resolved.
Yeah.
And so all of these factors could be over very quickly, or they could linger.
Yes.
But that's why I just tell people, if you like what you see and you're ready to pull the trigger, pull it and go, because you don't know that it's going to be there next month or the month after.
Right, or certainly before summer.
Yes, or before summer when you can be in your pool.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I mean, it means a lot to me personally. It's very interesting, and I know for others watching as well. So this is Angela Deaton with Prime Lending. She is a loan officer with Prime Lending and can help you with all of your mortgage and refinance needs. So
yes, absolutely.
look her up. We'll see you soon.
Okay, bye.